how to add a picture on the PowerPoint. So you have to add picture on that. So to insert the picture or image on your presentation, you will have to open the PowerPoint. So after opening the PowerPoint, you will get such interface. So simply from here, you will move to the option like insert and head to the insert option, and you will get too many options from here. So those them, please choose the option like picture from here. So like in my case, I will choose this random picture. Okay. So now I has been added the image to my presentation, so I can make changes or I can make animation frames on it. Hope this video was helpful to you. So if any queries or arises, just let me know them in comment section below. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.